What's up, Longhairs? El Moreno here. Yeah, it's been a minute since we give you a warehouse update. You know, we talked about the warehouse party, which is still happening.
Right now, you can RSVP to the Longhairs Warehouse Warming Party, a mixed in-person online soiree celebrating our swanky new space with long hairs everywhere.
Sign up for that, you know, you just text that number right there. You also saw it in my last hair update, but it's been a while and a lot has happened. Q2's over, moving into Q3 of 2022, and let me just give you a recap of all the haps around the Longhairs HQ. On the window, we're official. You've seen this space. There's Gus. Hey, Gus. All right, let me get this dialed in here. Oh, okay, that looks good. All right, so let's get into it. So one of the first things that happened in Q2 here at the HQ was Trav White came into town. We flew him in specifically to join us on Let It Ride.
Trav, what's up, bro?
Pull the boxing gloves out, man.
Yeah,
I'm ready to
exactly.
get in the octagon or something, man.
Dude,
Ready to rock.
We also filmed a couple awesome videos with him, which you've seen right here on this channel.
I want to talk to you guys about hair types. And that, my friends, is how you do the messy highball.
We've mentioned it a couple times in some of the other videos, but now it's time to really get down to business. So we had the beard oil photo shoot. Our boys from Roberto's came down, helped out with the shoot, acted as some talent.
Bro, this is some beer. That's pretty nice, dude.
We had an absolute blast.
Whoa!
From there, we moved into excuse me, I'm shooting a video. From there, we moved into a historic day here at the Longhairs HQ. We went live with the new shampoo and conditioner pre-sale. Well, after that, the team put their focus on something that needed a revamp, and that's quick tips. So that's right, guys. You don't need to be a hair expert, but there's a few things every single guy with long hair needs to know. If you think that's something you're interested in, just head on down in the description there. There's a special link for you. After the revamp quick tips was up and running, out of nowhere, a pallet arrives with one of our new products that is yet to be released. That's right. Dry shampoo.
Freshening, deodorizing, conditioning, and boosting volume to lifeless, unwashed hair.
Actually, hang around to the end and I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about that. With all these updates happening around the website, we thought we should probably launch a new product, and that's when the stash sacks were dropped. Around this time, unfortunately, we were hit with some bad news, and that meant there was gonna be some delays with the shampoo and conditioner. So we sent an update out to everybody, explained the situation, and moved on from there. After that, we had a massive guest coming down to the HQ from the East Coast, and that was Anthony Ferraro. We recorded content, we did a podcast.
Representing the United States of America in Paralympic Judo, as well as a competitive skateboarder, Anthony Ferraro.
To the show, man.
Yo, it is an honor to be here. He forgot to mention I'm also an Uber driver.
Oh, dude, I knew we were missing a qualification there.
If you haven't watched that episode of Let It Ride, I would urge you, go check out the Let It Ride channel. And while you're there, subscribe to that channel. We are putting out phenomenal podcast content over there, and we're gonna keep them coming. So make sure you're subscribed over on the Let It Ride channel. After the work was done with Anthony, it was time to move on to the next photo shoot. And that's where we got our creative juices flowing with creating the content for the hair serum re-release. As we were shooting that, another truck backed right in up to the warehouse here and delivered us the HydroFlow. What's HydroFlow, you might ask?
Delivers a lasting burst of hydration to dry and weathered locks, strengthening, renewing shine, and obliterating frizz for all-day manageability. Man, that's a long road.
And then after 8 long years of valuable service to the social media department, our beloved El Chuckarino has left. He's done with social media, moving on to a greater career, but still very much involved and moving on to bigger things.
Good luck, Chuck, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Good luck, Chuck!
It was a good day of celebration for old Chuck Rhino and the team. Around this time, we had to send another update about the shampoo and conditioner because, once again, it was going to be delayed. So we got that out there, and El Ruby and I sent a special message.
We take personal responsibility for your order, and we guarantee you we are going to get this shampoo and conditioner into your hands.
And the content machine just never stops. D-Max Rhino. He's big here on YouTube.
You guys know me, I'm all about working for it, not only promoting pride of blue collar work, but inspiring the next generation to get out there and work with your hands. Try it. If you love it, make a career out of it. You can make really good money. If you don't like it, then you know what? Go be a doctor, a lawyer.
He rolled up to the HQ and we recorded an episode with the big man himself.
D-Max Rhino! What's up, dog?
Dude, this is like the most official thing I think I've ever sat in on my life, bro.
After that, it was time to go say hi to one of the local homies, Jordan Stark, over at the West Side Love HQ. The team packed up, headed to a field trip up north, and went and said what's up to West Side Love.
Damn, bro.
Damn, man.
All right. Hello and welcome to West Side Love. This brand means a lot to me personally. Jordan and Tony were there at the little tiny booth, had all their stuff, they're just getting going, and I was instantly compelled by this logo 15 years ago.
West Side Love, it's basically like a steezier version of I Love New York. We're bridging a lot of communities from cities, cultures, whether people are into sports, streetwear, hip hop. It's kind of just about love and, you know, putting that out there and bringing people together. And yeah, I mean, I've met some of my best friends because of this brand.
And that's where I got this cool bucket hat. I'm a bucket hat guy now. A couple days later, we wrapped up the hair serum collection page with a great creative team meeting.
Premium argan oil hair serum. Looks great, feels great, smells great.
Dude, just scroll through. Let me read it. Damn, look at that guy. Look at that guy, dude. I didn't even know that was me. Great, dude. This page is sick as And the re-release of the hair serum is just right there. Lastly, spent a lot of time dialing in this set that I'm standing in right now. It's so sick! One thing has been consistent over these last 3 months. We forge ahead. No matter what the obstacle, the challenge, we are taking it head on. Business has been tough this year, not just for us, for basically every business across the entire world. Supply chain issues, setbacks, delays, everybody's dealing with it. We have no excuses. We take it on, and we're gonna get it done. By the end of this year, the Longhairs will release a complete lineup of hair care. I'm not gonna tell you all the individual pieces of what that hair care line will consist of, because in order to know that, you need to be on our email list. Head on over to longhairs.us and sign up for that. That way you'll get all the latest breaking news and everything that we got going on here. That is the #1 way we communicate with you guys. It's through our email. So you're gonna wanna make sure to get on that email list. Outside of that, the team is good, the brand is strong, and we are continuing to move forward. We appreciate the hell out of all y'all. And we hope that your hair is as luscious and beautiful that it's ever been. And you know what to do. Keep letting it ride. Until next time, guys. We'll see you.